Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to do a currently page for this big planner. I'm going to use the Summer Houses and Trees from Planything. This will be linked down in the description. If you like seasonal stickers, this one's a great one to pick up because it's got nice seasonal themes in here, and I'm loving this theme right here for summer. How cute is that? And then I have summer boxes from Jojo. This will be linked as well. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up this cute little kitty. He's cute, but not needed for this spread. Okay, just kind of quickly with that. I'm going to cover it up with stickers, and then I'm going to do this too, important dates. Okay, kind of want just a clean slate when I do these kinds of spreads. I'm trying to see washi wise what I want to use because I think this one's kind of summery. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside for now, and I have the boxes. I'm gonna go through the boxes first. Let's see, I think I want to go with like this color scheme, and I'll just do like little scenes around the area. I really like this one though. I kind of want to focus on some of these on the bottom over here. Let's see if I put this washi down here. Sorry if you can hear like screaming and stuff, but you know, it's summer. It's finally feeling more like summer, and people are definitely enjoying the pool outside. So yeah, that's what all that's about. But I'm gonna add some of these like houses with the water, and then they're like little scenes, which I like. Okay, I'm gonna put a couple houses next to each other actually. I feel like there should be water though with this one. I'm gonna grab some water pieces here. Do another little water. And then the house on top. Oh, and I really like these palm trees. So let me pull some of these. And then a short one. Oh, I ripped it. Okay, but that's okay. It was just the backing, so that's good. Okay, cute. All right. So for the currently page, I like to do, maybe these colors won't work. Oh my gosh, they are like screaming. Okay, hopefully you can't hear it though. But sometimes I hear it when I'm editing, but then people say they can't hear it. I'm actually gonna use a different book because I feel like these colors aren't, I don't know, these are more pastel-y in a way. I think these will work better. Okay, sorry, it's kind of a mess, but I got big pastel boxes. This is a big planner, so might as well use these. Okay, yeah, like these yellows are really nice. So I'm just layering boxes. And I kind of want, let's see, maybe a pink. Oh yeah, this is good. Okay, I have a pink here. Oops. Okay. And I like doing like these different levels because then I can add decor on these levels too. So let's see, I'll do this one up here. And let's do this pink one. It's always hard to get these off the page. Struggle a little bit. Okay, so this one's gonna go here. And then I think I want to put like I'll put this umbrella. Okay. Cute. All right, more boxes. I really like the pink and the yellow. I think that's a good color combo. Maybe I'll do like a couple of different pinks too. Oh my gosh. Like I really don't want to film right now, but I kind of have to do it. So I'm really, really sorry. I mean, not that I can do anything about it, but you know, it is what it is. At least they're having fun, I guess. As long as nobody's getting hurt, that's all that matters. All right, so I'm going to just stack more boxes around the spread. Get more levels that I can add things, make it cute. I feel like I need another color though. Maybe I do like purple. Let's do purple. Yeah, I'm gonna add some purple in here. Purple. Let's get the dark pink, and then I think I have enough boxes. Just wanna grab, let's see, we'll do, no, it's the same box. Okay, I'm gonna grab a different one. I could go this way with it. Actually, I'm gonna go this way. Okay. And then I want to add washi too in here. Okay, cool. So now it's just about adding the decor. So I have this little house. Hopefully these come together pretty quickly, which is nice. I think I'm gonna put some water down there too. More water. Cannot pull that one off. It's kind of hard sometimes. Okay. Water under that one. Cute. And then let's see, I could get some up here. So let's see which ones I haven't pulled yet. I haven't done, okay, I've done this one. Oh, I have this, I love this little sign. This is super adorable. So maybe I'll do a sign here. I'll get some sand. And I love that I can like layer everything and really make it, like customize it this way. It's always fun. Oh, I could do some palm trees. Let's see. I'm gonna grab this one. I'll do one here. And I'll do two actually. Here. I'm gonna cross them, kind of like in and out. If you've ever been in and out. Okay. Let's do, I need something up here. Okay, so which house haven't I used? Oh, I've used all the houses, so that's good. So up there, maybe I can do a little scene, like a beach scene up here with like some chairs. Oops. And let's do a little crab guy. Come on. Crab guy. And then an umbrella. Okay, so we got a little scene there. I want to do, I have these umbrellas too. Let's see these houses. Okay, these are different. So I'm gonna add, let's add this gray one. Since I got some water ones down here. I think that looks pretty good. All right. I'm gonna add some washi here. So I really like this washi. I think this is from the Happy Planner. Okay, so some there and a little bit here. How cute is that? All right, I'm gonna grab a summer book just to add in some like quotes and stuff. All right, so I have summer for the summer stuff. I kind of like colors of this one. I just want to fill in some of these areas that don't have anything. If I can, that would be great. These are super bright though. Okay. I have another book. It kind of matches that guy, so that's good. All right, that looks good. How fun is that? All right, so the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write in some currently kind of stuff that will be written in these boxes. So I'm actually gonna use my pen because pencil first. And I'll do it on camera with the pencil, but I wanna do it off camera with a pen. So I'm gonna put just some words that you can use to fill in these boxes. So like something you're grateful for, you can write in there. Over here I want to do, okay, over here I did planning. I had to move my desk up just so you can see it a little bit better. Let's do over here watching. Oops. And this is why I do it with a pencil, because then if I mess up I could just fix that when I'm writing it for real. Reading. Let's do this one as this one is going to be eating. What are some other words? And I like having them in different directions too. I think that looks cute. Let's see, this one can be, let's do loving. This one could be, what are some other currently things? I got planning, watching, eating, reading, grateful. Oh my gosh, I have to look up a couple other ones because I'm totally drawing a blank. All right, so I did visiting, feeling, and going. And I'm just gonna go over this with this Paper Mate Flare. I think that's what I wanna do. Yeah, there's black, so I'll just tie it in that way. And I'm just gonna go over all of the words that I did. So that way each box represents a different like thing that you're gonna fill into these. So I went over everything with a Paper Mate Flare, all the words that I wrote in with pencil. And I think I'm just gonna do one more thing. I have this yellow, I feel like I need more yellow on this side. So I have summer vibes, and I do have a little space here. I'm just gonna stick this here just to fill in that space. And that is gonna be it for this currently page. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I will have these books linked. These are not available anymore, but these are currently available if you're interested in purchasing. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching me create this currently page. And you know, it's a good idea for something to do with this page, because I know a lot of people don't really sometimes use this page, but it's a fun like way to document the month. I also like to memory plan on this page, which I'm super behind on, but this is one great way to use this page in your planner. So I hope you all enjoyed watching. Again, if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I hope to see you in the next one.